我是 Becky. Hello, I am Becky. Welcome to Day App. Learn the most authentic Chinese and make progress every day. We have learned before what we would say when hosting others. Today we will talk about what you would say when seeing your guests off. 丽丽，谢谢你的晚餐，我得走了。丽丽 ，Thanks for your dinner. I have to go. When your Chinese guests are ready to leave, what are you going to say? 再见 ，Bye. 再见 No, that's a bit rude. It would seem that you don't want them to stay at your home anymore. By Chinese etiquette, the host should try to persuade the guests to stay longer, even though sometimes they know their guests have to leave. We usually say 再待一会儿吧 to persuade someone to stay longer in such situations. 再 first tone means again, once more. 待 first tone means to stay. 一会儿 means a while, a short period of time. 吧 neutral tone indicates a suggestion. 再待一会儿吧 Please stay a little bit longer. 再待一会儿吧再待一会儿吧再待一会儿吧。丽丽，谢谢你的晚餐，我得走了。丽丽 ，Thanks for your dinner. I have to go. 小美，别着急走，再待一会儿吧。Don't be in a hurry, 小美 Please stay a little bit longer. In Chinese culture, telling your guests to take care on their way back will make you seem like a caring and a polite host. 慢点儿 is short for 慢点儿走 which means walk slowly. 慢 fourth tone, 点 third tone. Telling your guests to go a little bit slowly is telling them to take care and watch steps in Chinese. 慢点儿慢点儿慢点儿小美慢点啊再见小美 take care bye 知道了再见 got it bye and you can also say 慢点儿 plus verb. For example, 慢点儿开车 which means drive slowly. It is also commonly used when seeing guests off. 路上小心 be careful on your way back. 路 first tone 上 neutral tone 路上 means on the road. 小 third tone 心 first tone 小心 means to be careful. 路上小心路上小心路上小心丽丽慢点开车啊路上小心丽丽 drive slowly take care 好我走啦再见 Okay, I'm taking off now bye You would be polite enough to say take care to your guests. But to be even more polite, you can also invite them to come back to your house again. Note that this is not a real invitation, just to tell your guests that they could come back someday in the future. 有空常来 literally means come frequently if you have time. 有 third tone means to have. 空 fourth tone means spare time. 常 second tone means often or frequently. 来 second tone means to come. 有空常来有空常来小美慢点儿路上小心小美 take care 知道了再见 got it bye 再见有空常来啊 bye come again please Okay, let's review what we have learned today. Look at the whole dialogue again and pay attention to what the host says after her guest expresses that she would like to leave. 丽丽，谢谢你的晚餐，我得走了。丽丽 ，Thanks for your dinner. I have to go. 小美，再待一会儿吧。小美 ，Please stay a little bit longer. 不了，已经很晚了。Oh no, it's already late now. 慢点儿，路上小心。Take care. 知道了，丽丽，再见。Got it, 丽丽 ，Bye. 再见，有空常来啊。Bye, come again please. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Now it's your turn. Suppose that I am your guest today and I am about to leave your house. Upload your recordings and tell me what you would say to me in Chinese. Leave me a message and don't forget to let me know what topics you want to learn. See you next time. 再见。 Angela， 我得回家了，下次聊。Jenny， 再待一会儿吧。Which of the following is true according to the dialogue? Angela wants to go back home too. Angela wants Jenny to stay longer. Angela wants Jenny to leave soon. Please choose the best answer. Rachel， 对不起，我得走了。What would Rachel most likely say? 你走吧。再待一会儿吧。再见。Please choose the best answer. Mary， 慢点儿，路上小心。好，谢谢你的晚餐，明天见 ，Rachel。Which of the following can be inferred from the dialogue? Rachel was seeing Mary off. Rachel wants Mary to take a walk. Rachel was inviting Mary for a dinner tomorrow. Please choose the best answer. 我们下次再聊，再见 Jen. What would Jen most likely say? 不客气。好久不见。再见，有空常来。Please choose the best answer. 小美，慢点开车，路上小心。好，再见，丽丽。再见，有空常来啊。Which of the following can be inferred from the dialogue? Lily was driving to Xiaomei's house. Lily is about to leave Xiaomei's house. Xiaomei is inviting Lily to her house. Please choose the best answer.